Want an easy flatbread recipe using store cupboard ingredients? Then you're in the right place. Okay, first up, chuck in a bowl or a Ziploc bag, a mug of plain flour, add a pinch of salt, a glug of oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons, and a little bit of warm or even cold water to start. Add in a little bit more water as necessary until you've got a nice dough. And then get your hand in there and start bringing it all together. Roll out a quarter of the dough using a rolling pin or a bottle of wine or a drinks bottle and pop it on the barbecue. And as soon as you start seeing these bubbles coming up, you can turn it over. Done. And that's it. It's one of the easiest recipes to keep in your camping arsenal, but it's such a good one. Now, I served it with the steak that I made for you guys last week, but use it to make sandwich or fajitas or whatever you fancy. As always, if you give this recipe a go and take photos that you share on social media, please tag me in them so I can see what you guys are up to. You can find me pretty much everywhere as @Hedgecomber. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to subscribe to the channel. I bring out new camping and campfire recipes every single Wednesday. So until next week, my lovelies, have a great week and happy camping. Sassy says, over and out.